Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill your Lincoln Auto greaser. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable grease gun and the correct type of fresh grease cartridges. Before you begin, always ensure the greaser is thoroughly clean and completely free of any debris. It's crucial to understand the specific grease type recommended for your system to maintain optimal performance and prevent damage. This preparation ensures a smooth and effective refilling process. Now, let's get to the refilling process. Carefully remove the old grease cartridge or open the reservoir, taking care not to introduce contaminants. Next, insert the new grease cartridge, making sure it's securely seated to prevent leaks and ensure proper flow. Finally, prime the grease gun to remove any trapped air pockets. This step is vital for smooth operation and ensures the grease reaches all necessary points without interruption. To keep your auto greaser running efficiently, always use high-quality grease. This extends the lifespan of your equipment and ensures consistent lubrication. Be careful not to overfill the reservoir, as this can create excessive pressure and potentially damage seals. Regularly inspect your greaser for any signs of leaks or damage, addressing issues promptly. Following these best practices will help maintain your system's reliability and performance for a long time. Maintaining a consistent greasing schedule is key to optimal performance and longevity for your equipment. It helps prevent wear and tear, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Always keep spare grease cartridges readily available to avoid unexpected downtime during critical operations. And speaking of upgrades, why not upgrade your clean game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description below for a link to this amazing product and other great deals to enhance your home and workshop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.